Now let's see this example. Two trains starting from Hyderabad and Delhi respectively moving towards each other such that after crossing each other at Nagpur they take 16 hours and 25 hours to reach the stations Delhi and Hyderabad respectively. Find the speed of the train starting from Hyderabad if the speed of the other train is 80 kilometers per hour. So what they mean to say is, now we have two stations, one is Hyderabad and the other one is Delhi, and two trains are starting from here. So one train is starting from here and the other train is starting from here. Okay, and they are saying that the speed of the other train, which means we are supposed to find out the speed of the train starting from Hyderabad, when the speed of the other train is given as 80 kilometers per hour, which means this train which is starting from here, its speed is 80 kilometers per hour, right? And now we don't know what is the speed of the train starting from Hyderabad. Let's call it as SH. So SH is the speed of the train starting from Hyderabad and the speed of the train starting from Delhi is 80. Now they are saying that they are going to meet at Nagpur. Let's say Nagpur is somewhere here. So both of them are going to meet at Nagpur. This train is going to come here and this train is going to come here, and both of them are going to meet at Nagpur, right? So if they are going to meet at this point, now the time taken by this train will be same as time taken by this train to reach these points. Time taken by the train starting at Hyderabad to reach this point should be equal to time taken by the train from here to reach this. Then only they are going to meet at this point. Now they are saying that after crossing over, they take 16 hours and 25 hours, which means from here to here, this one is going to take 16 hours to finish reaching to Delhi, and this one is going to take 25 hours to finish reaching to Hyderabad. This is given, right? Now we are supposed to find out what this speed SH is, right? Now since from here to here we can express this entire distance in terms of two speeds. In terms of SH I can express it, as well as in terms of 80 kilometers per hour I can express it, right? So the distance, let us say this distance is d1 and this distance is d2. I can express the distance d1 in terms of two speeds. So one speed is SH into t, and the same distance can be expressed, see why, because SH is the speed and t is the time taken by this train to reach from here to here. Therefore the distance is SH into t. Similarly, the other train is starting from here and reaching here, so therefore the distance covered is same d1. Now that one can be expressed as 25 hours into 80 km per hour. Therefore this is equal to kilometers. Got it? Okay, now this one will be equal to kilometers and this one will be equal to kilometers, and you can cancel them out anyway, so you need not write kilometers there. Now what about d2? You can express d2 also in terms of two speeds, right? So what is d2? In terms of sh, it can be written as sh into, from here to here, the distance covered by this train is d2 in a time of 16 hours. Therefore sh into 16 is equal to, what about this train? From here to here, the distance covered by this train is d2, which means the train starting from Delhi, which is traveling at a speed of 80. So 80, and it has taken a time t, right? Okay, now we got two equations. From these two equations I am supposed to find out the value of sh. So in order to find out the value of sh, I'll take these two equations and I'll try to reverse this and I'll divide it. So what I write is 80 into t equal to sh into 16, right? Now sh into t, 80 into t, 25 into 80, sh into 16. Now let me call it as equation 1 and let me call it as equation 2, and let me divide 1 by 2. If I write 1 by 2, if I divide equation 1 by equation 2, what do I get? Then I get sh by 80 equal to 25 into 80 divided by sh into 16. Then what do I get? Sh square equal to 25 into 16 into 80 square, right? Therefore sh equal to 5 by 4 into 80, so it is going to be 100. So 100 kilometers per hour is the speed of SH, the train starting from Hyderabad, right? So what is the other way of solving it? We have already derived the formula. So in the earlier example, if you compare this one, SA is to SB equal to T square root of T2 square by T1 square. So in that case, what happens is SH divided by SD is equal to square root of, so 25 divided by 16. So you just compare this one to the earlier case, right? Then what do we get here? Equal to 5 by 4. Therefore SH equal to 5 by 4 into 80. SD is 80, right? So you can get 100. So in case if you remember that formula from the earlier example, you could have directly solved it this way. If you don't remember it, then it is better if you follow this procedure and you will be able to solve it. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.